Are you tired of relying on a single paycheck to cover your expenses? Have you ever imagined earning money even while you sleep? Passive income is the key to transforming your financial life, giving you the freedom to focus on what truly matters: your projects, your family, and your quality of life. In this video, I'll share the 15 best assets that can generate consistent passive income, ranging from financial investments to digital assets, real estate, and more. Want to learn how to break free from financial insecurity and start building an independent future? Stay with me until the end to discover how these strategies can make your money work for you, creating the stability and freedom you deserve. Introduction to the concept of passive income. But before we continue, I'd like to take a moment of your time. Imagine reprogramming your mind to think like a billionaire. With the billionaire brainwave, you can activate your theta brainwave in just 7 minutes a day, unlocking creativity, focus, and a success-driven mindset. Developed by neuroscientists and used by thousands in over 70 countries, this simple program has been transforming lives, helping people achieve financial freedom and turn their dreams into reality. And the best part? It comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk for you. Want to give it a try? Click the link in the description or simply point your phone at the QR code. Let's continue. So, what exactly is passive income, and how does it differ from the income most of us are familiar with? Passive income refers to money earned regularly with little to no active involvement after the initial setup. In other words, it's income that doesn't depend on you trading your time for money, like a typical 9-to-5 job or freelance work. While active income, which we're used to, requires constant effort and hours to keep coming in, passive income can work independently, earning you money even while you focus on other things. Let's think about it this way: if you've ever received interest from a savings account, that's a form of passive income. It may be small, but it's income that continues to accumulate without additional effort. Now imagine expanding that concept to larger and more effective investments. With the right assets, passive income has the power to provide a steady, reliable stream of revenue. This approach to finances is especially powerful for those looking to build security and freedom beyond the conventional workday. Passive income allows you to diversify your earnings, reducing dependence on a single paycheck and creating more stability. Imagine not having to worry if one job ends because you've set up various income streams working for you around the clock. In this video, we'll explore the specific assets that make passive income a realistic, achievable goal. Now, let's dive into the 15 powerful assets you can use to start building your financial freedom. 15 passive income assets. Let's jump right into the 15 assets that can help you generate passive income and get closer to financial freedom. We'll break these down into categories for easier navigation, covering financial investments, digital assets, real estate and physical goods, and alternative assets. Financial investments. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay regular dividends to their investors. By owning shares in established companies that distribute a portion of their earnings, you can enjoy a steady stream of income. Take companies like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson, they pay dividends each quarter. With a well-selected dividend portfolio, you can build reliable cash flow as your investments grow in value. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow you to invest in property portfolios without having to manage properties directly. REITs typically pay high dividends because they are required by law to distribute a large percentage of their earnings. This is an ideal asset for those looking to enter real estate without the need for hands-on management, offering income without the property headaches. Treasury bonds with semi-annual interest. Treasury bonds are a safer, lower-risk investment option issued by governments. When you buy a treasury bond, you're effectively lending money to the government, which pays you interest, usually every 6 months. This creates a steady income stream, perfect for those wanting passive income with minimal risk. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs allow you to invest in a basket of assets, such as stocks or bonds, managed by professionals. By holding shares in an ETF, you gain exposure to multiple assets, which can yield dividends or gains. This passive approach is ideal for those who want portfolio diversity without the hassle of managing individual investments. Cryptocurrency staking. Staking involves holding certain cryptocurrencies to support blockchain operations in exchange for rewards. Cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Cardano allow staking, which can offer substantial returns for those familiar with the risks. Staking is a way to make passive income in the growing digital asset market, but it does require some research to understand. Digital assets. Monetized blog. If you have knowledge or expertise to share, a blog is a great place to start. By writing about topics that interest you and building an audience, you can monetize through ads or affiliate links. For instance, a blog about travel or personal finance can generate income from clicks and views, building a revenue stream that grows with your readership. YouTube channel. Similar to a blog, YouTube allows creators to earn through ads on their videos, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Once you create content that gains regular views, it continues to earn over time. Videos on topics like tutorials, reviews, and lifestyle insights have long-lasting appeal and can build significant revenue through repeated views. Ebook sales. Writing and self-publishing an ebook is an excellent way to earn passive income if you have expertise or a story to share. Platforms like Amazon Kindle allow you to publish and distribute your book to a global audience. Once published, your ebook can continue to generate sales with minimal maintenance. Online courses. Online courses are a growing field, especially with knowledge-sharing platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. Creating a course on a skill you excel in, whether it's photography, language learning, or programming, allows you to generate passive income as students enroll in your course over time. Music and art royalties. For musicians and artists, royalties offer a powerful way to earn passive income. Platforms like Spotify pay artists every time a song is played, and similar systems exist for visual art through online galleries. Once a piece of music or art is published, it can continue to earn royalties as people enjoy your work worldwide. Real estate and physical goods. Property rentals. Property rentals are a classic source of passive income. Whether it's a residential rental or a short-term holiday rental, real estate offers a consistent revenue stream. Even with the need for occasional management or repairs, properties in high-demand locations can provide ongoing income for years. Storage space rentals. If you have extra storage space, such as a garage or basement, you can rent it out for additional income. With the rise of self-storage demand, people are looking to rent small spaces for personal belongings. This asset requires minimal upkeep and can generate monthly income. Vehicle rentals. Platforms like Turo allow car owners to rent their vehicles to others, turning an unused car into a passive income stream. By listing your vehicle, you can earn income on days when it's not in use. This option is especially valuable in high-demand locations, like tourist destinations. Alternative assets. Startup investments with royalty returns. Investing in startups with royalty agreements allows you to earn a percentage of the company's future revenue. Some startups offer royalty-based returns, meaning you receive a share of earnings as the company grows. This option provides passive income while supporting innovation, but carries some risk, as it depends on the startup's success. Patents and intellectual property. If you have an invention or creative idea, patenting it allows you to earn royalties whenever it's used commercially. Innovators in areas like technology, design, or manufacturing can license their patents to other companies and receive regular payments. This requires upfront innovation and patenting, but it generates passive income as your idea is adopted in the market. These 15 assets span various industries and approaches, showing that passive income opportunities can fit nearly any interest or expertise. Now that you know which assets are available, let's go over some strategic tips on how to start building these passive income streams. Tips to start with passive income. By now, you've seen the 15 assets that can help you create streams of passive income. But where should you begin, especially if you're new to this? Here are some simple strategies to help you take those first steps towards financial freedom. Start small and grow gradually. One of the best ways to enter the passive income world is to start small. You don't need a large amount of capital to begin. For example, you can start with dividend stocks, investing modest amounts and gradually reinvesting your earnings. Even a small investment in assets like ETFs or REITs can start generating income, which you can reinvest to build your portfolio. Diversify your income streams. While it might be tempting to focus on one high-performing asset, diversification is key to reducing risk. By spreading your investments across different types of assets, you create a more balanced and resilient portfolio. Consider combining financial investments with digital assets or real estate to build a diverse mix that supports long-term growth. Reinvest your earnings. One way to increase the power of passive income is by reinvesting your earnings back into your assets. By reinvesting dividends or rental income, for example, you create a compounding effect that amplifies your returns over time. This strategy accelerates growth without requiring significant new capital. Educate yourself and set clear goals. Finally, invest in learning resources to deepen your understanding of each asset. Books, online courses, and financial news sources are great ways to stay informed. Setting clear financial goals also keeps you focused and motivated, helping you track your progress toward financial independence. Now that you have a roadmap to start building your passive income, remember that the journey toward financial freedom is all about consistency and patience. Passive income won't make you wealthy overnight, but with time, the effort you invest today can bring you the freedom and security you desire. Imagine being able to spend more time on what truly matters, your passions, your family, or simply enjoying life on your terms. Passive income can make that possible, one step at a time. But before we continue, I'd like to take a moment of your time. Imagine reprogramming your mind to think like a billionaire. With the Billionaire Brainwave, you can activate your theta brainwave in just 7 minutes a day, unlocking creativity, focus, and a success-driven mindset. Developed by neuroscientists and used by thousands in over 70 countries, this simple program has been transforming lives, helping people achieve financial freedom and turn their dreams into reality. And the best part? It comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk for you. Want to give it a try? Click the link in the description or simply point your phone at the QR code. Let's continue. If this video helped you understand the potential of passive income, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. And, of course, your insights matter. Leave a comment below on which asset you're most interested in exploring, or share any passive income experiences you have. Your feedback is incredibly valuable, and it helps us create content that's truly useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on financial freedom and income strategies. Also, consider sharing this video with a friend who might benefit from these ideas. And if you're ready for more, I have a follow-up video just for you. If this video added value to your journey, check out the next one, where we'll dive even deeper into strategies to grow your financial independence. Trust me, it's packed with tips that will add even more value to your path towards financial freedom. Thank you for watching. Here's to building the future you've always wanted.